Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to download the Facebook app on your Android device. Whether you're new to smartphones or just need a refresher, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and locate the Google Play Store app. This is the official app marketplace for Android devices, where you can safely download apps like Facebook. Once you've opened the Play Store, look at the top of your screen for the search bar. Tap on it to activate the keyboard. Now, type in Facebook and press the search icon or enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of results related to your search. Next, find the official Facebook app in the search results. It's usually the first option and will display a blue icon with a white F. Tap on it to open the app's page. On this page, you'll see an Install button. Tap it to begin downloading and installing the app on your device. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds or minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice an Open button replacing the Install option. Tap it to launch Facebook for the first time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Facebook app on your Android device. From here, you can log in with your existing account or create a new one to start connecting with friends and family. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time.